everybody, it's Ivy, and today we're going to be doing a hair video. Today we're going to be doing a false natural look. I got this beautiful unit from AshimaryHair. It's a 360 lace unit. It comes with Kinky natural baby hairs. It also features the Invisi-Strap, so you can wear this unit up in a ponytail. It's super secure. Today I really wanted to keep the kinky texture. I was gonna leave it just straight, but I wanted to put a little bit of wave in it just so it could have that nice little blowout look. But it's gorgeous. I really love this unit on myself. It's so pretty. It's so, y'all, it's so much hair. It's so full. I love the versatility of it. And this hair, it just feels like fluffy, soft butter. Like, it's so nice. I really like the texture of this hair. One thing I want to do with this wig, I want to go back and dye it jet black, because it is that natural 1B color, and you guys know I like my hair jet black, but it's still dark enough where it satisfies me. But I definitely want to go in and color it. But you guys, I'm loving it. I love that we can achieve these looks with wigs. Everything doesn't have to be silky straight all the time. Change it up and switch it up. You'll be surprised how much you like the kinky texture on yourself. It's a vibe, y'all. So if you want to see me install and style this hair, keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so let's get started with unboxing our unit. First of all, it came packaged. This is beautiful. Like, this is beautiful packaging. Our box is not gonna get damaged. It's in bubble wrap. So our unit today is from AshimaryHair. They sent me over a beautiful unit. Oh, it's long. Inside we have some goodies. I have some bows. Everybody's been wearing the bows, and I'm really, curious about them. I might, go ahead and put me on one. We have some extra combs. We have a bag of goodies, an edge brush. We have some lashes, and these are really cute. We have a wig cap. We have some hairpins. We have an edge elastic. We have some powder puffs. I guess these are powder puffs. We have some tape and extra elastic. Okay, you guys, so I'm excited to install this unit. This is their 360 lace wig upgraded invisible strap unit. Okay, so this unit is a 360 lace wig, and let's go ahead and open it up and show it to you guys. And this is a really beautiful kinky straight texture, and I love the way that hair looks. Oh, you guys, it's so soft, and their wigs are so unique, you guys. Like, I love the quality of their units. This one comes with kinky edges. It comes pre-plucked and pre-bleached, as you guys can see. I really love these kinky edges. They're gonna look so natural when you go in to install. So inside you have a removable band. Okay, I usually don't wear my bands in my wig because I wear my wig grip cap, and I don't need all the extra security. But if you're a person who feels like you might need the extra security in your wig, go ahead and leave your elastic strap in there and adjust it. But for me, I don't need it. And inside it comes with combs, and I love this company because look, y'all, you can just take the combs out. They must have been watching my videos because I always remove the combs because they kind of like irritate my scalp. And I think I'm gonna leave the bottom comb in there just so I can have that extra security if I decide to wear it in a ponytail. So what's cool about this wig, you guys, you're gonna pull these two drawstrings, and that's gonna make the back of your unit lay really flat and make it snug to your head, and the straps are going to keep your wig from moving as well. This is really cool. I've never seen a wig that comes with this before. I reviewed one of their other wigs a little while ago, and I was so in love with it, I had to get another one. So this is how it looks when you drawstring it. I think this is really cool. I am going to wear it up in a ponytail so you guys can see. But I'm going to go ahead and throw it on now. And their units fit my head like, y'all, they fit snug. These are how the edges look. And it comes with a nice amount of parting space. Y'all, I haven't had on a wig in a very long time. It feels like a learning curve again. So to tack my unit down, I'm gonna use my Hair Diagram Bold Hold Liquid Gold. So you just wanna take a little bit of the product and rub it on. To further blend in the lace, I'm just taking a little bit of the product on the end of my rat tail comb and just putting it on the areas that didn't tack down properly. Okay, you guys, so I'm done tacking it down, and I know it look a little crazy. It looks a little crazy because I have to go back around and clean up the residue, but these are how the natural baby hairs look. And don't mind the lace. I am gonna go back and put some tint in the lace. Definitely when you use this product, don't use as much as I used, y'all. I haven't used it in a long time and I used way too much. So to tame the baby hairs, all I'm gonna do is take my little edge brush and I'm gonna spray it with a little bit of water. We're just gonna like brush into place. Water helps to like reactivate it, so that will help with all the leftover gel. I could just use that product that's already there. So you guys can see the hairline on this. The hairline on this unit looks so good. I didn't do any customization on it and it just looks like scalp. Okay, you guys, so we are done installing it and this is how it looks. Now I do have to go in and put some tint on it, and this is the hair. Beautiful hair. I'm gonna add some wax. So we're gonna go ahead and put some lace tint right into the lace. I'm using my Bold Hold Special Edition lace tint in light brown. Okay, you guys, so you can see the difference between this side after I put tint on it and this side. So I'm just gonna go through the hair with my hot comb. I still want it to have its kinky look. Okay, so I'm gonna take my wand curler and just put like big waves all throughout the hair. I love the way that looks, so pretty, guys. So I'm done curling it. Ooh, it's so long. I'm gonna do a half up, half down look. I'm gonna put on one of these bows. Why is everybody wearing bows? I don't know why. It was in my box, so I put it on. It's cute though. It's cute though. It just makes me look 16. So you can wear it half up, or you can wear it in a ponytail all the way on top of your head. I really like the technology to suck the wig and just make it like flat to the back of your head. Yeah, you guys, I believe that's it for today's video. If you're interested in this unit, it will be linked below. All the details will be down below. Everything I use from today's video as well. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to thumb this up and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.